Hello guys, welcome back. In this Lumen video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can make a common response for the all APIs. So in the last two video tutorials, we made a get API as well as a post API. But the result are very simple. That you can see that like in two objects, there is a no information, no status are the things are here. Alright, and same with the post API. If you just change the ID here, then you will see the result here. Then it's one, there is no information the data is successfully added or not, this kind of object. So how we can make that common, and every API of response should be the common. For the best practice, how we can make the helper for that. So now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you how many steps we have to follow for these functions. We have to just make three steps. First function is make a helper with the result function, call it inside the controller, and the last thing is return the data with this helper. Alright, so now I'm going to make a folder inside the app and http folder. There is have the controller and middleware folder. So I'm going to create one more folder with the name of helper. Alright, and in this helper I'm going to make one more file with the name of response builder. .php. Alright, and in this file just write some code here and start with the PHP, and first of all just give a namespace here. Namespace, what is the namespace here? It's inside the app folder, and inside the app there is a http folder, and there have a helper folder. Alright, so just close this for now. Okay, it's an helper. Okay, now just write a class. The class name should be the same name of the file name. Then I can just write here class, and here I'm going to write a function with the public keyword, public function. It should be static. Why it's static, I'll tell you later. Okay, so now the function name is result. Alright, and it's going to be accept some parameter. So what parameter should it will be accept? So it will be accept like first thing is the status. Alright, it will be default value null if there is if this is the empty. The second thing is the info, and info is also null if it's come with the blank. And third one is the data. Okay, data will be also blank if come it's null. Alright, so return, I'm going to return array with that, and inside the array there is a three parameters. One is the success. Success should be the dollar status. Alright, okay, and then information with the same dollar info. Alright, and at the last dollar ops data with the key of data variable. Alright, then it's fine now. Okay, now we have to call it inside our controller. What is our controller name? Our controller name, which we made the two APIs list and orders, is the YouTube. Okay, so just make it use what we have to use here. Use, just copy here and paste it here, but at the last we need to put the class name also. So then you can use the class name simply. Alright, so we accept the we are called our response builder here. Now just copy the response builder, take the data inside. Okay, just first of all just check that is it working fine still or some issue with the list. Then you can see that we got the list here. Okay, the list is returning from here. I'm going to make a variable data here, and inside the response builder call the result function. So why I put the static keyword here, so that we can call it with the scope resolution method. All right, now just pass the status. Okay, so if the data is coming, then we can put the dollar status is true and dollar info is, what is the dollar info? It will be data is listed successfully. All right, so now just put the semicolon here and here, and now just put the dollar status variable, dollar info variable, and dollar data variable also. All right, and then let's return directly here, return it. Okay, then let's check what we got here. Then you can see that the result is now looking much beautiful, right? So success is true, information is this. If I am going to forget the pass the last parameter, then you will see that it's something like this, data is blank for now. All right, then you can check it also like this. Okay, so but we have the data for now, then we got the data like this. Okay, so this is the common builder and it's looking for. Then now how, if this is a common builder, how we can use it for the post API. So for the post API, then let's see here. In the post API, you will just see the result is here. Now result is the 1 because of this echo, but how we can check that? Result is this. Okay, so now I'm going to catch this function directly here. Okay, and I'm going to get the 2 parameter also here, so it should be true and data is saved successfully. All right, then if I'm going to check here, if dollar result equal to 1, then what's going on? Then result will be this. All right, else, okay, so take it outside, it's looking nice if we take it outside. Okay, then catch both of them here, and here we can write here false, data saved, data not saved successfully. All right, now let's check this result here. Okay, so we got some issues. It's with that we have to use the 5th. Okay, then undefined variable data. Okay, then data can be blank here because there is no data, because we are going to use the post API. Then we can simply use this one. Okay, just use the ID again 6, and you will see that the result is here. The data is successfully true, data is successfully saved, and data is blank because nothing to return from the database because due to the post API. So let's say if something is going wrong, then let's say it's equal to 2, then for suppose the result okay, so I'm going to put 1. If the dollar result equal to 0, then what's going on? Then you will see that status is false, data is not successfully saved. So with the common response builder, it looks too easy to handle the response. Okay, so with this status, then front-end developer can handle the informations and check that the API's data stored or not successfully. All right, and in the next next video, we will use how we can use the try and catch block in the Lumen, so that we can check directly if the operation is failed. Then with this, with the try and catch block, we are able to handle this kind of errors. Like if we have the duplicate entry, then we can handle this. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, duplicate entry with the try and catch block, we can handle this kind of the issues, and it will we can show a stable result, so then a front-end developer can easily manage this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any kind of suggestion and kind of query, then you can ask me in the comment box. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.